Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay May 27, 2026 Wednesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong May 27, 2026 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Wednesday, May 26, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for May 27, 2026, Wednesday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for Wednesday, May 27, 2026. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of May 27, 2026, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.